The Economist app: the pros, the cons. If you're a news junkie, the Economist app promises to bring global insight straight to your device, but is it the ultimate tool for readers? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for desktop users. You can browse articles, listen to audio editions, and even download content for offline reading. Notifications keep you updated on breaking news and trending stories, so you never miss critical developments. Another advantage is personalization. You can bookmark articles, create reading lists, and customize your news feed based on interests. The app also includes multimedia features like charts, infographics, and podcasts, which enrich the reading experience. However, there are cons. Some readers find navigation a bit tricky, especially when switching between sections. Offline downloads can take up storage space, and long-form articles may feel cramped on smaller screens. Advanced search functions are also limited compared to the website. In conclusion, the Economist app is an excellent way to stay informed on the go. The surprising truth is that while it delivers convenience and personalization, it doesn't fully replicate the web experience for deep research or extensive browsing. For subscribers who want news and analysis anywhere, this app is highly useful, but for serious research, pairing it with desktop access is still the best approach.